Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So good morning everyone, and yesterday night I couldn't make the video, I was a little busy, so I'll be very quick. So in the last the data was very shocking, and the big guys took short positions, right? We saw that like they took short positions, and not only that, FIIs also did call buying as well. So now what happened today? So the main thing is that like since the data was a little more towards the bearish side, so but we still didn't like मतलब market खुलते ही हम लोग ने short नहीं किया था. So we shorted at the very end when our money flow showed bearishness. So I'll be coming to that as well. So let's come one by one, see how nicely our money flow worked. So in the morning, like Nifty fell, okay, but then after that you can very well see the score started like increasing. The score started showing strength, and then like Nifty also went up. But the main thing was, the main activity was going on in BankNifty. So BankNifty, Nifty, if you look at the charts, it's hardly went up by 150 points. Okay, so which is normal, quite normal for Nifty. But BankNifty, like I mean, it's 1,000+ points move. If you look at here, it's like 48,362 to 49,450. Okay, so anyways, now let's see how our BankNifty money flow indicator worked. So look at here. In the morning, the score went heavily positive, okay, showing that the big guys are making long positions. And then there was a sudden spike in the score. The score went to 100, okay. So there also, like, even if you note down the time, 11:47 where the score jumped to 100, okay, 11:47. So even after 11:47 also, Bank Nifty gave a lot of up moves. So 11:47 is almost here. So let's look at here. So this is the candle, okay. So 11:45 to 11:50. So even after this as well, like, where was Bank Nifty then? So 48,886. So 48,000, let's say 900. Okay, so 48,900 also. After that, it went up by more than 400 points. So anyways, the thing is that but at the top, what happened at the top? So let's look at the chart. So if you look at here, that is at the top, like there was a divergence which was getting created, okay, and that's why we shorted at the end. And here also, even in Nifty as well. So though the whole day it worked fine, but at the end it started showing divergence, like it was a huge gap was created. And so I think that like upside is limited. That's why I even posted it on Twitter, that is upside is limited, and we are going as per the data. So that's why like I shorted at the end. Even like if you see 2650 PE bought at 92. So the time, note down the time, it's 14:38. Okay, so 14:38. If you go to the chart, so here, so it was bought at 650, 22,650 was bought at 92. And if you look at here, that is from 92 to it went to 105. So almost 14%, let's take. Okay, so more than 14%, but let's take 14%. So 14% we already got there, but I did not book the profits because why? Because I saw that some put buyers are active. Okay, so they were averaging out their positions, which I also told the members here. And the divergence was also created, which wasn't filled by the money flow indicators that I have made. And so that's why like I have taken the short positions. But again, if 10 to 15 points move also works for you, you can even close it as well, okay. So there's no harm to that. But the main thing is that some members asked me like why didn't you go long today, okay. Though the indicator was like showing very clear signal that we should go long, so why didn't you go long? Because the main thing is that the the data is bearish. We looked at the EOD data last day, so it was bearish, and so anything could have happened. Chances of anything could have happened was like very high, and that's why whenever like I don't see 80 to 90% of the data going, indicating in the right direction, in the same direction. So I usually, like, whenever there is a contradiction in the data, I stay away, okay. And when all the data again lies in the same line, on the same line, I usually go with that. So that was the main point, being that I shorted at the very end and I took it as positional, and also I have like posted it on Twitter as well before the market ends. Now let's see, even I don't know what will happen. So I am going as per the data. Okay, so we are not gambling here. And yes, so if you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And let's go to the EOD data. So again, EOD data is little bit changing. So the how it's changing is basically like suddenly huge futures long have been made by these FIIs, and quite a like a nice quantity of future short has also been closed, but still future short is again much more than the futures long. And talking about prop dex, they have done future short today, but they are, let's see what they are doing in the option. So option, if you look at here, that is FIIs have done call writing as well as put writing. So they have done both, but majorly both PropDex and FIIs today have done put writing. Okay, so they have done so today, just today, FIIs have done like if you look at here, that is FIIs have done call buying and put writing. Okay, so and looking at PropDex, so PropDex, sorry, I'm saying today, so it's like yesterday. So yesterday PropDex did like put writing and they did call buying. So PropDex did not short calls, they bought calls. So again, we have to wait and watch what will happen today. So now the thing is that overall, just these 2 days, huge quantities of positions have been taken by the FIs and props. So added up all the positions, what it indicates is that FIIs, if you look at here, they have done like they are put buyers as well as they are call buyers as well. Okay, but put short is more than put short quantity is much more than the call writing quantity. So they are both sides, they are buyers, FIIs. Looking at PropDex, they are like call buyers, of course, but they are like put writers. Okay, so I mean the data like from a very bearish data, it has like shifted to a little bit in the middle. So kind of like we can't say like actually it might be bullish or it might be bearish. So it's now data is like kind of in the middle. And so again, I'll be catching these big guys during the live market hours, and I'll see what they are doing and go according to them. So even as you saw, like our money flow caught these big guys, what they were doing yesterday and today also. As per what they are doing, I'll just plan accordingly. And I have also, as I showed you, that I have short positions, positional short positions. So let's see how it goes. And my data points are saying that we can open flat or somehow go down to close this gap, and then I mean rest, whatever can happen will happen. But there should be a slight pullback. But even if we go to the option chain as well, so there are some in the money call riders still waiting. But again, fresh put writing has also been seen. And talking about today, so today we have FinNifty expiry as well. So FinNifty expiry, talking about that, like if you even look at the PCR ratio, it's 1.26, which is a kind of bullish signal. But again, even if you look at here, heavy call short covering has been done. Especially it went in Nifty, the call short covering. But talking about here, that is I mean FinNifty, again, data is like, for now it's kind of data is almost balanced on both the sides. So we have to again look at the fresh positions. You can't decide exactly like from this option chain. So you should know how to read the option chain. So mostly like 21,800 call writers are present. But again, if you look at here, put writers, fresh put writing also has been done. So talking about BankNifty, so BankNifty, if you look at here, that is again BankNifty, fresh put writing can be seen, but not much fresh call writing. But again, some in the money call writers are trapped, but not that heavily. But the mainly in Nifty, the call writers are trapped, as I can see. But yes, so that's my overall view. I am in Nifty bearish. So that's my positional positions, and I can square off them as per how the data behaves or how the data goes. So anyways, that's my analysis. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.